Gather the family, fire up the grill, and shoot off the fireworks. That's right, the 4th of July is just around the corner, and while Americans prepare to celebrate this day, the city of Troy is also preparing for its annual fireworks show.
Each year, the city of Troy puts on a July 4th fireworks display. And this has been a tradition for our community for over 50 years. The city of Troy has been involved in doing this for over 30 years, close to 40 years. Troy Parks and Recreation is responsible for coordinating the fireworks display. We have a company that comes in and puts on the show.
Smith also says that while the city of Troy is small, this fireworks display is one of great magnitude.
And we have a lot of people from a lot of cities that come to visit family for July 4th, and they comment on what a great show it is for a town our size. And again, we could not do it without the support of Mayor Jason Reeves and our Troy City Council.
Every year, there are around 9,000 fireworks-related injuries in the United States. Therefore, Smith says this is a fun and safe way to view fireworks.
Even locally, we hear of injuries that are related to fireworks, and it's easy to happen for someone to get injured using fireworks at home. So this is safe, and it's convenient, and it's free.
Smith asked those who would like to view the display to be in place at Veterans Memorial Stadium or in the surrounding area by 8:30 p.m. on July 4th. The fireworks display will begin at 9 p.m.